Welcome once again to my channel. In this video I share with you my catfish pepper soup recipe. So simple and so easy to make. Keep watching because I will share with you some tips. Alright, let's dive into it, everyone. So first I have my pepper soup spice. I have my ohio. This is what we call it in my dialect. Let me know what you call it in your own language. Okay, so I have my seasoning, I have some salt to taste, I have blended crayfish or dry prawn, then I have my ginger powder, and then my fresh scent leaf. So here is my catfish. I'll be using 2 kilos of catfish and it is already washed and clean off camera. So first let's start with our cooking the yam. I'll be allowing this yam to cook on medium flame for 30 to 40 minutes off camera. So while that is aside, in a clean pot I transferred my already washed catfish. To season I add 1 teaspoon of seasoning, 2 teaspoons of crayfish, and then my pepper soup spice, half teaspoon of salt, 1 freshly chopped bulb of onions. Then I will go ahead and add my blended mixture, garlic, ginger and onions and chili together, and then half teaspoon of ginger powder, and then I will mix this to combine. I'll be allowing this to heat on a medium flame for 10 minutes. Keep watching and don't go away, everyone. If this is your first time, you are highly welcome. If you are returning, thanks for returning. So after 10 minutes, I will go ahead and take my turning stick, gently flip to the other part and continue cooking, everyone. So do you make your catfish and it scatters, or does it come out without scratching? Keep watching because in this video I always share my tips on how I prepare my recipes. This is not the first time I'm sharing a video on how to make this, but in case you missed that. So after I flip and allow to boil, next I'll go ahead and add a quantity of pepper soup water I want. But to make sure my catfish comes out one, I add boiling point water instead of adding cold water and allow it to cook again, because when you do that it makes your fish to overcook. Next I will add my recipe known as ohio in my dialect. So I will cover and allow to cook. While that is aside, here is my fresh scent leaf. I will pluck, wash off camera, and then cut with a knife. You can decide to cut them into smaller size with your hands. After that, let's check our catfish pepper soup. It is bubbling. I will add some pinch of salt and then continue to allow to cook. Use salt and all ingredients according to your taste. And then our soup is almost ready but not yet ready. So next I will go ahead and add my fresh scent leaf. That is the last thing you add while cooking your catfish pepper soup. This catfish pepper soup can be eaten with yam, it can be eaten with rice, it can also be eaten with agidi, that is corn cake. Yeah, that is what I will call it, corn cake or cornstarch cake. It's super light for those of you who don't love to eat too much because of weight. Alright, everyone, our catfish pepper soup is just ready, just like that. All the ingredients and their quantity will be at the description box down below. If this is your first time, please don't forget to like, comment and share my videos to your friend. Alright, stay safe, stay connected. See you in the next video and bye for now.